Thanks to everyone for tuning in, and thanks to all of you for actively engaging in my channel. This time giveaway is the April release Suzuki Jimny, the Lamborghini Diablo SV in commemorative version, and also the police sign car. A big shout out to Takumi Walker, who is always engaging in my channel. Thank you very much. Please email me your postal address hotcustom@gmail.com. I will send this out to you by next week with a tracking number. Stay tuned for my next random giveaway. Remember to subscribe to this channel and actively engage in my video for a chance to win. Today's review is the popular Initial D AE86 from Jada Toys. It's in the scale of 1:43. I got this AE86 recently in our retail outlets. Thanks to my buddy Theo for the alert. It's from the Hollywood Ride series from Jada Toys. I believe it comes along with other movie themes such as the Ghostbuster Actor 1 and Fast and Furious. Price point wise, I think it's quite affordable. It's about 13 USD. For a 1:43 scale, I think it's quite reasonable. Hence, I also decided to compare with the Dream Tomica Initial D. Alright, this Jada AE86 is now free from the box. First impression is very lightweight. I almost mistook it for a plastic model kit, but it's not, it's die cast. But it's very light. It comes with rubber tires, and the die cast door is so thin, wafer-like thin, that is very brittle, almost like plastic view, but it's not, it's die cast. The base is entirely plastic, but the thickness wise, especially for the door, is really thin. Even for the hood, it's very thin, very hollow. I think Jada Toys try to keep the thickness thin to cut costs. The rear is not bad, it comes with plastic insert rear lights. The initials are clear with the Initial D logo on the car plate. It spins extremely well here. I believe it's very fast when rode, no complaint at all. Given the cost wise, you can see the finishing is not top notch. It's not top of the line quality for the paint. And although the front is detailed, it's not premium. It's not a premium casting and very entry level. But for all the Initial D fans, this is a must-have to add into your collection. And now let's compare this AE86 with the Dream Tomica in the scale of 1:61. Although small in size, the weight of the Dream Tomica feels more solid. Unlike the Jada Toys, what is lacking is the side mirror. For the rear, it's understood Jada Toys is much more detailed because of its bigger scale. Different front as well, with the Tomica headlights that is up. The body color is also different with the Dream Tomica in off-white. Overall, this Jada Toys is an economical casting. I think it's a great addition to your Initial D collection if you are Initial D fans. Otherwise, the quality is so-so. No doubt you will still look great along with your Initial D collection. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.